In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete indicators in MetaTrader 5. If you've been experimenting with different indicators on your charts, things can quickly start to look cluttered. Removing indicators you no longer need is a simple way to clean up your workspace and focus only on what really matters to your trading strategy. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process, and I'll also give a few tips along the way to make it easier to manage your chart layout. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and that you're looking at the chart where the indicator is applied. Each chart can have its own set of indicators, so it's important you're on the right one. Take a moment to identify the indicator you want to remove. This might be something drawn directly on the price chart, like a moving average, or it could be in a separate window below the chart, such as an oscillator. To begin deleting the indicator, move your mouse pointer over the indicator line or area on the chart. You want to be hovering specifically over that indicator, not just anywhere on the chart background. When you're on top of it, right-click with your mouse. This right-click is the key action that opens up the context menu for that indicator. After you right-click, a small menu will appear on your screen. In this menu, you'll see several options related to the chart and the indicator. Look carefully for the option that says Delete or Delete Indicator. Depending on your platform setup or language settings, the exact wording might vary slightly, but it will clearly relate to deleting or removing the indicator. Once you've found it, simply left-click on Delete. As soon as you do this, the indicator will disappear from your chart. There's no extra confirmation box in most cases, so be sure you're deleting the correct indicator before you click. If you change your mind or delete the wrong one, you can always add it back later through the Insert menu or the Navigator window in MetaTrader 5. Deleting an indicator from a chart does not uninstall it from the platform. It just removes it from that specific chart. That's all there is to it. Right-click on the indicator you want to remove, choose Delete,